Welcome to One World News. In a significant ruling today, the Supreme Court of India has upheld the constitutional validity of Section 6A of the Citizenship Act 1955. This section, introduced in 1985 as part of the Assam Accord, was designed to address the issue of illegal immigration into Assam, mainly from Bangladesh. The ruling has important implications for the state and its people, as it confirms the legal framework used to manage migration concerns in Assam. A five-judge constitution bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud delivered a verdict with a 4-1 majority. The bench included Justices Suryakant, M.M. Sundaresh and Manoj Mishra, which all supported the constitutional validity of Section 6A. They argued that Parliament had the legislative competence to enact the provision, viewing it as a part of political solution to tackle the ongoing issue of illegal migration in Assam. However, Justice J.B. Pardiwala dissented from the majority view. He raised concerns about the Section 6A's impact on Assam's demographics and its alignment with the Indian Constitution, calling it unconstitutional. Let's break down what Section 6A entails. The section was added to the Citizenship Act in 1985 as part of the Assam Accord, which aimed to regularize and manage the large-scale influx of immigrants into Assam. It grants Indian citizenship to people who entered Assam before January 1, 1966. For those who arrived between January 1, 1966 and March 24, 1971, the section allows them to register as citizens, but only after a 10-year waiting period, during which they cannot vote. Those who entered Assam after March 24, 1971 are considered illegal immigrants and are to be detected and deported. The case has a long history. In 2012, the Assam Sanmilita Mahasangh, a civil society group based in Guwahati, contested the validity of Section 6A. They argued that the provision was discriminatory, arbitrary and non-lawful. The group pointed out that Section 6A establishes different cutoff dates for regularizing illegal migrants in Assam compared to rest of India, which they believe is unfair and violates the rights of the local Assamese population. The Assam Sanmilita Mahasangh petitioned the Supreme Court to intervene and instruct authorities to update the National Register of Citizens (NRC) for Assam using the 1951 NRC data. They argued that this approach would be a fairer and more accurate way to determine citizenship in the state and would better protect the demographic interest of the indigenous Assamese people. In its verdict today, the Supreme Court ruled that the Assam Accord, which Section 6A is based on, was a necessary political solution to manage the unique problem of illegal immigration in Assam. The court also emphasized that the presence of different ethnic groups in the state does not infringe upon Article 29(1) of the Indian Constitution, which protects the rights of minorities. The bench highlighted that Section 6A was an attempt by Parliament to balance the need for a fair citizenship policy with the reality of migration patterns specific to Assam. The ruling effectively confirms the legality of the Assam Accord as a mechanism to manage these challenges. The Supreme Court's decision is a critical one, as it reaffirms the legal structure surrounding immigration in Assam. The decision is expected to have significant implication for the state's politics, its social fabric, and the ongoing debate over the rights of indigenous communities versus those migrants. For now, verdict brings some legal clarity, but the challenges associated with updating the National Register of Citizens and implementing the provisions of Section 6A remain. It will be crucial to see how authorities move forward enforcing this framework while balancing the concerns of Assam's diverse communities. That's all for this segment. We'll keep you updated. Thank you for joining us.